Hey guys, just an FYI, if you ever purchase any cardio equipment like a recumbent bike or an upright bike, take a look. So this is a bike that's been taken apart. Normally if it's dead, it's going to be this battery, which is really easy to replace. You just pop out these screws and put in a new battery. You just got to take the cover off. And then if it's anything else, if it's still dead when the battery's gone, it's probably this control board. And it's expensive, but you know, if you're reselling or if you want a really good bike, replacing this control board is about a couple $100. It's a pain to repair these, but it's worth it, especially if you want a good high-end bike. This is Life Fitness, so wasn't that hard.